Hey y'all, it's traxxasrc1's, and this is going to be the unboxing video for the Venom Creeper. So let's get started unboxing here. Now the Venom Creeper is it's a crawler, 2.2 crawler. Comes as a kit, so I'm going to have to build it completely. Go. There's that. Free shipping. Hey. There's that thing, whatever that is. But there's the box. Locking diffs included. There it is right there. I got the red anodized instead of the green. I thought that was pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Sorry about this box, you guys. This is the first time I've actually taken it out, and there we go. I'll try to give y'all an overview of it. Here we are. See, here we got your tires. These are nice and soft. There are your real beadlock rims. A nice Lexan body for it. I don't know how really nice, but I'm gonna have to paint that. So, oh yeah, so I am gonna have to paint that. But Revo King, if you're watching that, and could you please ship some paint? Cause and you asked if you had some, if anybody wanted in the video, and yeah, but could you please ship some paint? Cause I'm gonna need to paint this body. So that'd be cool. And you got your bag of parts here. All your stuff. Yeah. That's pretty cool. But I'll start building her soon, and I'll get back to y'all on that. Oh, yes, sir. Stickers, instructions, stuff like that. Manuals. But yeah. Should be a pretty cool car to build. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. And take it easy.